Hello, welcome back to the channel. In the last time, we learned about ref hook, use ref. If you missed it, go check it out. Super simple stuff. Today, we are stepping into custom hooks with that simple. So let's create a reusable toggle hook to flip things on and off. Okay, so before to create an example, let's define what's a custom hook. A custom hook is your own function that uses React hooks like useState or useEffect to package up logic you can reuse across components. Name it with use, like use toggle, and it's ready to make your code cleaner and dry. Okay, so how does it work? You write a function that calls hooks, handles some logic, and returns what your component needs. It's like botting up a piece of functionality to share anyway. Alright, so let's create an example to get a better understanding. In the source folder, let's create a component. Let's create a new file and put the name toggle switch.txt. And first, let's create a hook. Use toggle. This is the name of your custom hook. Okay, and this one have a initial state, save a boolean value equal false. Alright, and inside this we use a useState hook to create a is-on useState initial state. Okay, and here let's import the useState from React package and just create a function to toggle the is-on state, set is-on previous equal the opposite of previous. Okay, if the previous is true, after you set is-on, it will be false, and the opposite. All right, and the last, just return is-on and the toggle method as a constant. Okay, and now let's create the component toggle switch equal, and inside this we just return our use custom hook. Okay, this is on and the toggle use toggle. Okay, and just return a very simple view, just a div surround the title a2 light is, and inside this one we check the is on. If true, it's on text. If not, it's off text. And create a button to control the light button toggle and also provide on click equal the toggle. Okay, so using the custom hook is very common. It's very common when you while you're working with React. Okay, and here just return export the toggle switch. And now let's add it into the app. Here, toggle switch. Save it and let's run. Alright, let's click on the toggle button, and now you see the light is on and the light is off. Very simple, right? So you see that every time you need to control something like a boolean with a function like toggle, you can use the use toggle hook here. Okay, so this is a custom hook. Alright, I hope you can understand all of it about this video, and if you have any question, please comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.